Hello everyone, welcome back to another new episode. Beloved friend, what do you see around me? You can see there are many trees here. Beside this road, there are many trees. These trees are looking so nice. These trees has increased the beauty of this road, of this environment, of this nature. Alhamdulillah, this beautiful environment has attracted me so much. So I'm really thankful to Allah. Beloved friend, some are trees very short and some are trees very tall here. And they are growing up day by day. In the east, I can see the sun is rising. As well as this paddy land has also attracted me so much. So it's looking so nice, and this paddy are getting ripe day by day. The villagers and the farmers are very busy to harvest these crops from this paddy land to their home, and they are very busy. Many of farmers has started their work and has started cut these crops. Okay, beloved friend, I am just practicing here because practice makes a man perfect. Every single of time I want to use very properly. Thanks for watching.